How to switch to light theme in ExpertOption. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you are an ExpertOption and want to switch to the light theme, then first of all, open the ExpertOption app and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the bottom left and tap on the gear icon. Once you're inside the settings menu, tap on the theme drop-down. Now, choose the light option and you have your ExpertOption app in a white theme or the light background. So that's how you do it. You've successfully switched to the light theme in ExpertOption. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.